Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your Canon camera to your video switcher or capture card without the screen goes off. But please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So this is my Canon camera. You see my video switcher here. You first go to the camera menu and disable your auto power off. After that, instead of HDMI cable, the moment the screen goes off, please check on my TV. You can see the screen goes off. Please remove the HDMI cable slowly from the camera and check the menu and go to HDMI out plus LCD. Change no mirroring to mirroring. Insert the HDMI cable again. Please check it out. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Bye.